Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you about the occurrence of earthquake. Means I want to tell you the mechanism based on which we can say that why earthquake happens. So in order to understand why earthquake happens, as you can see I have written the question here, you need to understand some facts or some terminologies. These are plate tectonics, fault, these are the geological faults, and then a mantle convection. So now I will tell you in brief that what is the internal structure of the earth in brief, okay, so that you can have a predefined notion that okay, why earthquake will happen and how it will happen. So as you can see that this is the part known as crust. The uppermost part of the earth is known as crust, and the crust has a base known as asthenosphere. No, sorry, its uppermost yeah, exactly. So its uppermost mantle, as you can see, we also call it as a part of mantle, and that is a part of asthenosphere as well. So combinedly this crust and uppermost mantle are known as lithosphere, and lithosphere have cracks. Cracks means they have geological faults within them. It means it means that if it means that these are the weak zones. So now what has happened beneath this, there is another term known as mantle convection. It means the mantle material is moving like this, okay, because of the heat that is generated from the core, okay. So as these are highly viscous material that are constantly convecting means moving because of the force known as heat, okay. So now what happened, it disturbs the upper layer, and the upper layer means it applies force on this upper layer, and they also tend to move, okay. So now what happens, these weak zones undergo constant stress, okay, and they want to move with respect to one another. But what keeps them stand still is that they have friction within them, okay, that doesn't allow their relative motion. Now as a result of which what happens, if that stress that is coming from beneath, okay, is good enough to overcome the friction that is there, okay. So what happens, if it able to overcome the friction that is there, then what will happen, that displacement will occur. And because of this displacement at these weak zones, okay, what happens, that disturbance or in the form of waves it start gets propagating. It means now the waves will start propagating, okay, and that wave is a mechanical wave. Mechanical wave means that wave needs material medium in order to propagate, okay. So as a result of which what will happen, that waves get like comes at the surface of the earth where we feel vibrations. So this is the short mechanism that I told you that why earthquake happens. So in short, you can see mantle convection acts as a source, as a force on a plate, on plate tectonics, okay, and they have weak zones. Weak zones can be fault or the plate boundaries, okay. Now in another video I will tell you what are plate boundaries and all, okay. And if these stress that is coming from beneath is good enough to overcome the fault or the friction that is there between the plates, then earthquake occurs, or then displacement occur and the wave gets propagated and that reaches the surface of the earth and causes vibrations. So this is the basic mechanism of earthquake. Thank you.